What's up, guys? It's Grant from Genie Motorsports here today, and we're doing another install on the Civic. Today we're going to do AVS wind deflectors. So we come with two front ones. They go along here, and then two back ones. So let's get these installed. I know a lot of people recently, well, not a lot, but some people have been saying that some of my reviews are awful, but hey, sorry. So we'll show the back. I know the engine cover got a lot of hate, but here's the back of the wind deflectors. And then, since I got my windows tinted, I got to re-put on my back spoiler. So here's a link to the original video on how to put this on. So let's get this trim cleaned and get them installed. Alright, so I vinyl wrapped where it's going to meet up. So it's black, like so. So what you're going to want to do is there's a little tab on here. And it simply, I'm going to take this plastic off first. Just peel it back a little bit. It simply inserts underneath of the window trim. The best way to show you is going to be, so it says instructions, it says align with door frame, slide tab under mirror cap. Like so. So, let's get that done. Like that, and then just peel off the 3M adhesive. And just line it up. And push it on. One side is done. Well, half of one side, I guess. I got the back to do. Alright, so this back one's going to be the same as doing this. Whoa, never heard my camera make that noise. Okay, but, so the back one's going to be the same as doing this front one. Just take off all they applied and put it on. And they are labeled, so this is the left rear. So it look like that. So let me get it on. Alright, so the visors are on. See, there's a little bit of chrome here you can see, but other than that, they look pretty good. Now, I would recommend, I didn't realize when I bought the YouTube stickers, I put them up here, that they cover, but that's alright. They look good, they're low profile. So yeah. I dig them. They're like $50, so I'm not complaining at all.